Hello friends, welcome to CAD-CAM. Select front plane, go to sketch, select line, draw from here like this. Now select smart dimension, make it 8 mm. OK. Now select these 2 points, make it 4 mm. Again select line, draw from here. OK. And make this angle 135 degree. And this distance, make it 20 mm. Select again line, draw from here, select smart dimension and make the angle 137 degree and choose this and make it 4 mm. OK. Now select ellipse, draw it from here. OK. Here select smart dimension, select this vertical distance, make it 15 mm. Now select this horizontal distance of ellipse and make it 14 mm and vertical make it 10 mm. Now select spline, draw from here, first point here, second here, third, now here fourth, fifth, sixth and close it. Now we have to adjust it. OK, like this. OK. Now select again spline, draw from here, first, second, third point and close it. OK. Now we have to adjust it. Okay, little bit here. Okay. Okay, it's done. Now select these 2 points, make it vertical. Okay. Now exit the sketch. Now go to extrude boss, select this and make it 8 mm. OK. Now again select extrude boss, select this sketch, go to selected contours and select this, make it 8.1 mm and select direction 2, make it 0.1 mm. OK. Now go to insert, go to features, select dome command, select this surface and this surface also. OK. Now make it 5 mm. Click OK. Now select front plane, sketch, make it normal. Now select convert entities, select this edge, click OK. Now select line, draw line here. OK. Select again line, draw second line here. Select trim entities, trim this curve. OK. Trim this remaining one. OK, now exit. For exit the sketch, you can double click your tab button of mouse like this. OK. Now go to reference geometry, select plane, select this curve and this point like this. We created a plane on this curve. Select second plane. Okay, select this curve, select this point. OK. Now select plane 1, go to sketch, make it normal, select line, draw from here, okay, up to here, select ellipse, draw it from the center point of this line, select trim entities, trim this, okay, now exit, now select this plane, go to sketch, make it normal, okay, now select line, draw from here up to here, again select ellipse, draw it from here, okay, like this, okay, now trim it, exit, now go to feature, go to lofted boss and select this sketch and select this another one, okay, select curve, select this curve, okay, now select this plane and hide it, select this also, hide, now select fillet command, select this edge also, this edge and this edge, and make it 1 mm, okay, now again go to fillet, select here 0.5 mm, select this edge, flip it and select this edge and this edge also, and select this edge, okay, now again go to fillet command, this time make it 1.5 mm and they make this surface, okay, again select fillet, make it 1 mm, select this edge, this edge also, this edge, okay, now click OK, select this surface, go to sketch, make it normal, now select corner rectangle, draw from here, okay, select smart dimension and make these two lines 2.5 mm, okay, and these two lines select properly, okay, make it 2.5 mm, now go to feature, select extruded boss, extrude it up to 50 mm, okay, now select this face, go to sketch, make it normal, select line, select center line, draw up to here, okay, now select line, draw from this point up to here, okay, like this, draw same profile like this, okay, and end it here, okay, now select mirror entities, select all these and select mirror about this line, okay, and close this profile, we have to cut it, that's why I am closing it, now exit, select extruded cut, select through all, okay, now select this face, go to sketch, make it normal, select the line, Okay, like this, and close it. Now select extruded cut, select this profile only and extrude it up to 2.5 mm. Okay. Now select this surface, go to sketch, normal, select line and draw same profile. Okay, like this, and close it. Okay, now select extruded cut, extrude it up to 2.5 mm. Okay, our key slot is ready. Okay, now go to fillet, select this edge, flip it, select this edge, make it 20 mm. Okay, now our whole key is ready. Now select this, go to sketch, select line and draw one symbol. You can draw whatever you want. Okay, I'm drawing this. Okay, end it here. Now select center line, draw through these 2 points, select mirror entities, select all these lines, select mirror about this line. Okay, now go to extruded cut and simply extrude it, cut it, make offset 2 mm. Okay, now select plane, like this face and this face. We have to mirror it, so select mirror command, like this face. Okay, now select this all, dome, loft, all these fillets. We have to make it in black color, so go to appearances, select plastic, satin finish, select black satin finish. Okay. Okay, thanks for watching, friends.